welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to answer a few questions that you guys are filling my DMs up with and also my YouTube comments. But I found this one YouTube comment. She basically asks 5 questions in one comment, which makes it easier for me to answer. And so I am going to do that. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Okay, so guys, the question is here. Hopefully you guys can see it nice and clear. So I am going to answer these questions. I am going to be very honest. Feel free to comment what you feel, but again, this is my life and this is how I feel about my collection, okay? First question, did you fall in love with any bags? I enjoyed carrying them. I enjoy using them, but I honestly always thought about the other handbags that I love. So I am also going to say this. I cannot fall back in love with something that I was never in love with. Guys, it's just like a relationship. And I'm being honest with you. I was never in love with certain handbags. And I am going to tell you 3 reasons why. The first reason why is because most of the handbags I purchased at the beginning of my YouTube, when I started YouTube, at the beginning of my YouTube journey, it was basically me purchasing just to do an unboxing. I felt at that time, I didn't have anyone to teach me the YouTube thing on what I needed to do to keep an audience or to grow an audience. I just did whatever I felt would work at that time. Not knowing that I already had over like 30, 40 handbags that you guys didn't even know about. I could have simply just put them back in the box and did an unboxing. I wasn't thinking like that. I had no one to tell me that. This is why I tell you guys, do not go and purchase handbags just to do an unboxing to please an audience that doesn't pay your bills. I love you guys, but I'm just being honest. So I was just doing it, purchasing some handbags just to do an unboxing. Number 2, I purchased because certain handbags were cute. When I received the lookbook, I would say, oh my God, it was cute. So I thought that I needed it. I didn't want to pass it up. I didn't want to pass that bag up. Or if I saw someone with it on Instagram, I was like, that's a cute handbag. My CA sends me a text message. That's a cute handbag. And so I purchased because the handbag was cute. And then if I purchased a handbag, I needed an SLG. That's how my SLG collection grew to over 53 SLGs at one time. Okay? And third, I'm not going to blame anything on my CA at that time, but she was very convincing, guys. And that's their job. A client advisor, their job is to sell handbags. And at that time, my CA, she did an amazing job at doing that. Basically telling me, hey Marquita, I can see you in this. Oh Marquita, this would go good. To where she even knew some of the clothes in my closet. She followed me on Instagram. She studied me. She learned everything about me. Everything about me. And she was good at her job. So when she send me something and tell me, hey, it'll go good with this. And then me being so busy working, I was like, oh my God, yes. Card on file, send it to my home. And once I get the handbag, I do my unboxing. Guys, I had my studio upstairs. If you go back to my old videos, you will see I had a studio upstairs. And once I do the unboxing, I will put that bag back in the dust bag, back in the box, and it never honestly made it downstairs to my closet. And by the time I go back upstairs to the studio, I realize, man, this is a brand new bag in this dust bag in this box. And 30 days is gone by and I can't return it. So I'm stuck with a handbag. So to answer your question, I cannot re-fall back in love with a handbag. Basically, I never loved in the first place. Okay. Number 2 question. Did you realize why you don't wear them? Yes. Because I didn't want them in the first place. And it's other handbags in my collection that I actually love more. You know? And sometimes I forget about certain handbags because I had so many. At one time, guys, I had 117 handbags. And so my closet, honestly, I had handbags behind handbags behind handbags. And I just couldn't see the other handbags, or they were still stuck upstairs in the studio. And so that's why I didn't wear them, because I didn't see them. That's it. Okay. Any you decided to sell? Yes, there's a lot, but I have a hard time with selling because I'm working all the time throughout the day, and my assistant isn't here for that. She's here to assist me with my businesses. And so I do have a lot that I want to sell. I would say 80% of the handbags in my collection, sooner than later, I am going to sell because I don't use them. So yes, I am going to sell. Or do I regret not wearing? I've basically worn and used every handbag in my collection at least once. That was my goal, to at least, you know what? No, that's not true. No, I haven't. I still haven't. I had to honestly think. I wrote it down. I haven't used all of my handbags. And no, I do not regret anything. At that time of purchasing, it was a reason that I purchased. Even if it was because of an unboxing video or because it was cute, I have no regrets in life. Now, would I change some things? Yes. But regret, I'm not going to regret. I'm not going to beat myself up, and I'm not going to stress myself out. What happened, happened. I move forward. I'm not going to take it as an L. My L's are not a loss. My L's are lessons learned. I know to do better, and so I don't have any regrets. I am honestly living my life, and I am going to live my life happy even on bad days. So no regrets at all. And yes, I do want to sell, but for some reason like I said, it's still hard. Honestly, it is still hard for me to sell, even though I don't love the handbag. I don't know. And there's no connection there. Maybe I just don't want to post and do all that other sending pictures and stuff like that. I don't know. Okay. Was it hard? The 31-day challenge in October, it was not hard at all. I already knew which handbags. I had them basically in a shelf of handbags that I've never used, handbags that I hardly use, and I just moved them to the front. So no, it was not hard. I have clothes for days. So me having clothes in my closet, I have a closet honestly upstairs as well, and I also have a closet attached to this closet that's just full of shoes and just full of clothes. You guys only seen this closet. So I have 2 additional closets that's just full of boots, shoes, and clothes. So me matching with handbags is easy. So it wasn't hard, but the thing is, I still didn't get to certain handbags. Like, you guys didn't see the favorite handbag. I honestly took those handbags out just to do a video, just to show you guys. I have not honestly used the DAMIER Azure favorite. I haven't used it. I have not used the DAMIER EBENE. Now, the monogram, I have used that, and I have tried it. So like I said, it's handbags that honestly were took out for pictures, and I come back in the house and I grab the handbag that I actually want to use. I'm a content creator. I'm being honest about it. Okay, so let me answer this question. No, it was not hard. And yes, guys, basically that's the questions that you guys wanted, and basically you filled my inbox up with. So yes, it's handbags I know for sure that I want to sell. Someone asked me today, which one should they pick? I can't make these decisions for you. Out of the Speedy 20 in the Damier Ebene and the Speedy 25 in Damier Ebene, I told you guys, I love the Speedy 25 over the Speedy 20 in that print. Why is it like that? I don't know. A matter of fact, let me go get that handbag. Okay, so guys, I just wanted this to be an honest, I don't want anything scripted. You guys know me over here by now. It's black or white. It's just real, okay, over here. But these two handbags here, I prefer the 25 over the 20. I am going to be honest with you guys. No connection at all. I absolutely have no connection with this handbag. And when I speak on let me start over. When I speak on no connection, it doesn't mean I don't think it's cute. I don't think you guys should not have it in your collection. It just means that it's not a favorite, and it doesn't bother me not to actually use it or wear it. Do you guys understand? It's past the 30 days. I don't like the strap that it came with, the guitar strap. I don't like the adjustable guitar strap. I've tried to use different straps with this handbag. It's just not a favorite of mine. It's not. I've tried. And I honestly, it's no connection, guys. But this right here is just so sexy to me. In this print, larger handbags are so much better, and they are just cuter to me. I'm sorry. I don't know why. So someone asked me in my DM, I told them the truth. Speedy 25 all day long when it comes to this print. If you do have this in your collection, by all means, guys, hey, leave a comment below. Fall in love with it. Do whatever. But I'm just being honest with you, okay? Even the Armor BB is just no connection at all with the monogram or the Damier Ebene. Those two Armor handbags, the Armor BB, I can just go without. I honestly can. So I wanted to share that, but again, I am not here to make you not purchase this if it's on your mind, because guys, the Speedy 20, just the handbag size holds so much. That's what I enjoy, okay? It doesn't look like it holds much, but it really, really does. This and the Palm Springs Mini, you need at least one in your collection. Now, when it comes to the monogram, for some reason, I love the monogram more in this Speedy 20. I love that handbag so much. I really do. And this is a carefree handbag. You guys know how I feel about carefree handbags, but I'm just being honest with you. So, like I said, it's certain handbags just in my collection that didn't belong, but they are here. Now, I have to retract. The Speedy 25 in Damier Azure. I honestly started liking that handbag. I'm not going to say love. That's too soon, okay? I don't want to be too friendly yet. That's too soon. But I can say I wouldn't sell that handbag, okay? Let me go get it. You know what? I feel like I'm on live, but I'm not on live. But maybe I miss you guys. Maybe Handbag Bestie needs to come back. So let me go get that handbag. Okay, so first let me show you here. So, again, I prefer this over this, okay? But this is honestly my second favorite print after reverse monogram. But when it comes to this size handbag, I have to give it to the beautiful monogram and Vachetta. And like I said, my patina is honestly set in, guys. It is here. It is beautiful. I am loving and enjoying this. I was so happy that the challenge was over because I cannot wait to wear this baby. I love this handbag so much. I don't know. It just seems, I don't know. I'm gonna put this up. Okay, I'm gonna put this up. But this is most definitely you need to purchase, okay? Okay, so let me get the Azure. Here it is. I fell in love, guys. I fell in love with this handbag, okay? I love it. I love it. I love it. But I don't want to get too too attached, and maybe I don't need to say I love it. I'm enjoying it, okay? I'm enjoying the company as of right now, because this was most definitely getting ignored. I am going to bring this out, guys. You know, you can wear this print in the fall. Tan, cream, khaki, you can bring this out. You can even rock all black. And I think I'm gonna show you an outfit. So guys, yes, I just love Speedies. I just love Speedies. And let me see, I'm just looking at my collection. Yeah, guys, it's even some Neverfulls I have in my collection that need to go. Okay, so I hope I answered most of the questions that you guys are sending via DM. Like I said, this is just a straightforward video. My DMs are getting flooded. I just want to, you know, answer as many questions as I possibly can for you guys. I even have like LV shoes, my timeout sneakers. I am really trying to love on the items that I have. That's why you guys don't see me really purchase, because I'm steady purchasing, and I honestly have about $100,000 unused in my closet. Learn from me. Okay, learn from me. I have at least like $100,000. It goes for the bandos as well, guys, in my collection. The SLGs, I finally, you know, got down to 20. I had 53. It's a process. It's a journey, and it's my journey. So I really don't care what the people say, that, you know, if I have too many handbags, it's my mess. Okay, like I say, it's my luxury mess. And at this moment, this is where I'm at. This is where I'm at. And I'm here for the ride. I don't know what's going to come next. I don't know what's going to happen. But something needs to happen before that denim blue comes out in January. Something needs to shake, okay, by January. So guys, short, quick video, just answering questions. Like I said, I feel like I'm on live. I miss you guys. I really do. Your girl is just out here working and just planning her life for 2024. So thank you guys for tuning in. Again, I'm not trying to persuade you guys not to purchase, but I most definitely would say you will enjoy the monogram. Just give it a try. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Till next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.